Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll talk about ways to get trade tokens in Clash Royale. But first, keep in mind that currently there's no available option to get trade tokens since the tournament is on pause. But let's be positive that devs will bring it back very soon. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. First method to get trade tokens for free is by competing global tournaments. Supercell hosts two global tournaments every month, and by participating in and ranking high enough, you can earn two trade tokens of each rarity, and this is the best free method to collect them regularly. And then the next option, this is actually a paid one. It's a paid method. You can also buy trade tokens directly from the shop, but this requires spending money. So if you want to stay free to play, stick to tournaments. And that's it. You can just play and rank in global tournaments to get free trade tokens every month or buy in the shop if you don't mind spending money. Use your tokens smartly, by the way, by trading away cards you don't need and stacking up on valuable ones like legendaries. And I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks!